Which Coursera certification is best for data analytics if you want real job skills, not just random theory? In this video, I'll break down the best data analytics certificates on Coursera, who they're for, and how to choose the right one based on your goal. Quick heads up, Coursera Plus Annual is currently discounted to $80 for the whole year for a limited time offer. So, if you plan to complete multiple certificates and courses, that can be one of the cheapest legit options. For most beginners, the Google Data Analytics Professional Certificate is one of the best starting points. It's beginner-friendly, structured, and focused on real job tasks like cleaning data, analyzing it, and presenting insights. It also includes portfolio-style projects and a clear learning path, so you don't waste time guessing what to study next. If your goal is more business-focused analytics like dashboards and decision-making, IBM also has strong analytics and data programs on Coursera that help you learn practical tools and workplace skills. This is a great option if you want a broader view of analytics and more confidence working with real business scenarios. No matter which certificate you choose, the fastest practical skill you need is SQL. A strong analytics program should include SQL practice because SQL is one of the most requested skills in real data analyst job listings. Before you commit, open the syllabus and make sure it covers SQL, spreadsheets, and a visualization tool like Tableau, or at least a dashboard-style project. If you already know the basics and want something more advanced, look for programs that include Python, statistics, and real projects. These take longer, but they can help you move from beginner analytics into more technical roles. The key is choosing a certificate that forces you to actually work with data, not just watch videos. Ask yourself one question. Do you want the best beginner roadmap, the best business-focused path, or the most technical track? Pick one, finish it fully, then build a few small portfolio projects after. If you want to check which data analytics certifications are included in Coursera Plus and see the cheapest official pricing in your country, I'll put my link in the description.